Jam out anywhere, portable speaker for tailgating, beach trips, cookouts, house parties, and more. Activate party mode. Open top panels allow tweeters to face up and outward for a wider sound range. Power the fun. Dance the night away with a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 13 hours. Splash-proof panel. Flip open the top panels to enjoy built-in cup holders and a space for snacks. Vocal remix. Unleash your inner pop star or party MC with PG10's microphone input, mic not included. Stream your tunes. Bluetooth connectivity for short-range wireless connection plus 3.5mm audio input. Radio throwback. Take the party old school with the built-in FM radio tuner and retractable antenna. Plug play charge. USB port allows you to play your favorite playlists while charging your devices. Easy to carry. The GTK-PG10 has a compact cube design and built-in handles for maximum portability. In the box, GTK-PG10 speaker, AC cord, operating instructions, instruction manual, quick setup guide. Click the link below for more info and limited discount offer right now.